My best friend, Alex, was the kind of person who made every moment feel special. He had this way of finding joy in the simplest things, whether we are playing video games or walking in the rain. He lived like every day was an adventure. He always pushed me to live without fear, to embrace life no matter what. But life isn't always kind. Alex passed away when he was just 15. It felt impossible, unfair. Losing him made me realize how fragile life is. We don't know how much time we have, but what we do know is how we choose to live each day. Alex taught me that life, even in its hardest moments, it's still beautiful. We need to love fiercely, love often, and never take anything for granted. Don't wait for someday. Live today like it's your only chance, for Alex and for all of us.